Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ham and bean soup in a crock pot. First, let's prepare the beans. You'll want to soak your dry beans for at least 8 hours, or even better, overnight. If you're short on time, a quick soak method on the stovetop takes about 1 hour. Always rinse your beans thoroughly before they go into the slow cooker. Now, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of your prepared beans and a generous amount of cooked ham, diced into bite-sized pieces. Don't forget your aromatic vegetables, such as 1 cup of diced carrots and 1 cup of celery. Finally, add 6 to 8 cups of chicken or vegetable broth to the pot. Once everything is in your crock pot, it's time for the magic to happen. Cook your ham and bean soup on the low setting for 6 to 8 hours. If you're in a bit more of a hurry, you can cook it on high for 3 to 4 hours. Remember to stir it occasionally to ensure all the delicious flavors meld together perfectly. As your soup finishes cooking, taste and adjust the seasonings. Add salt, pepper, and any herbs you prefer, like a pinch of thyme. If you used bay leaves, remember to remove them before serving. Ladle your warm, comforting ham and bean soup into bowls and garnish with fresh parsley or a dollop of sour cream for an extra touch. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.